Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Saturday vibes, family fun and full on musty. So today was Saturday and guess what? We decided to skip the usual routine and spend the day with nature, family and a little bit of spiritual vibes.
Put my shoes on slowly, ready for the day. Coffee in the morning, music in my head. I don't need a reason to smile again. Oh, the sky is open and my heart feels light. Step by step, I'm walking into something.
First, we went out with our family for a short spiritual visit. My grandparents had organized a beautiful pleasant weekend program, and of course, we joined in. We spent some peaceful and meaningful time there while also enjoying every little moments.
And chasing clouds away.
And then the real adventure began. We headed up toward the mountain area to chill, relax, and enjoy the beautiful surroundings. As we were walking around and enjoying the beautiful surroundings, we also had so many fun conversations with each other. We talked, laughed, shared little stories, teased each other, and simply enjoyed being together.
It's a good day, good day. I'm feeling like the world is going my way. It's a good day, good day. I'm smiling at the sun and chasing clouds away. I'm feeling fine. The day is mine. Just let it shine. Everything will be alright. It's a good day, good day. I'm feeling like the world is going my way. It's a good day, good day. I'm smiling.
Meanwhile, my dad was busy preparing the perfect sitting spot because apparently even relaxing requires a little construction work. The view was amazing, the air felt crisp, and my mom came prepared with the most important thing of all, delicious homemade food.
It's a good day. Woke up with the sunlight dancing on my face. Put my shoes on slowly, ready for the day. Coffee in the morning.
After everything, we enjoyed some outdoor activities, laughed together, explored nature, and obviously, how could we forget TikTok? Because a family outing without a few funny videos is basically incomplete.
And my heart feels light.
And finally, it was time to head back home. But guess what? After all the walking, my legs were officially like, no, we are done. The path was so slopey and difficult that I could barely walk and my feet were hurting too. So my dad came to rescue. He carried me through the slippery area and honestly, I was having the best time. After all the buzz and food, nature, outdoor fun, TikToks, laughter and one little dad carrying adventure, we finally made it back home.